Good morning, children. Welcome to the maths class. How are you all? Very good. Today we are going to start a new topic in the maths. Shall we start our class? Today in our class we are going to talk about compare and ordering numbers from least to greatest. Look at this picture, children. Here you can see a boy and a girl with some cubes, right? Now let me know who has more cubes. Right, the girl has more cubes. How many cubes does she have? Yes, she has 4. Then boy? Yes, he has 3 cubes. Now we are going to compare these numbers with greater than or less than symbols. Now what are greater than and less than symbols? These are less than and greater than symbols. Which is the greatest number between these two numbers? 4 or 3? Yes, 4 is the big number or greater number. So we have to keep greatest symbol towards the big number, means 4. So today in our class we are going to compare the numbers by using greater than or less than symbols. Okay. Look at this picture, children, to understand how to use greater than symbol. So in this picture, the greater than symbol is always open towards the bigger number. Means greater than means symbol shows big numbers or big quantity. Now let us ordering numbers by using greater than less than symbol, children. Okay, numbers are 59, 64, 36. When you are ordering or comparing numbers, first we have to look at the place values. So this is the tens place. How many tens are there in the first number? 5 tens. Here 6 tens. In this number 3 tens. So which is the smallest 10 among these numbers? 3. Good. So this number will come first in the order. 36. Now 59, 64. Which has less tens? Yes. 59 has 5 10. So next 59 will come in order. Next, which number is there? 64. This is the greatest number. Now we are going to use greater than symbol to ordering these numbers. 36 is smaller than 59. Means 59 is greater. So greater than. Next 59, 64. Which is the greater number? 64. So we have to keep. This is the way how to order the number by using greater than symbol. Greater than or less than. Greater than means the symbol which is open towards the number, that is called greater than, children. Which side the number, this symbol is open, that is greater than. Okay. Children, in our real life we can come across many situations where we need to order the numbers. So now we are going to ordering numbers with story sums. What is story sums? Here we will get numbers with some statements. Example, Ram has 104 balls. Sam has 96 balls. Kim has 113 balls. So these are 3 statements. Here we have to arrange the numbers in order, in small number to big number order by using greater than, less than symbol. Okay, first we have to read the statements. Ram has 104 balls. Sam has 96 balls. Kim has 113 balls. To order the number, first we have to compare them by using the place values. So here 100, here 104, here 96, here 113. Which is the smallest number among these three numbers? So 96. First 96 will come first. Then 104 and 113. Both the numbers have 1 in hundreds place, means each number has 100. Now we have to move to tens place as we discussed earlier. Here 0 tens, here 1 ten. So which is the smallest 10? 0 means 104. Then which is the greater number? Yes, 113. Now this is the order from small to big. Now who has 96 balls, children? 96. Sam. Sam has 96 balls. Who has 104? Ram. Ram has 104 balls. And who has 113? Yes, 130. Kim. Kim has 113 balls. Now we have to keep greater than or less than symbols to compare them. So 96 is smaller than 104. So we have to keep symbol like this, means greater than means always it shows bigger number. So 104 is the greater than 96. Now 104 and 130, which is the greater number? Right, 130. So symbol should be towards, the open symbol should be towards 130. So this is the order used. Now you tell me, children, who has the least number of balls? Yes, Sam has least number of balls, means he has less number of balls, 96. And who has more number of balls? Yes, Kim has more number of balls, means 113 is the bigger number now, so he has more number of balls. Small number is 96, so Sam has less number of balls among these three. So this is the way writing numbers from increasing order by using greater than symbol. Okay, children. Now let us go to page number 22 in content book, children. Here the lesson number is lesson 4, ordering story sums. Story sums means, I told you, numbers with some statements. Read the example. Kiran, Maya, Ella and Arun were walking in a park. The table shows the number of steps each girl walked. Here name of the girl and number of steps they have taken given. So Kiran has taken 132, Maya has taken 163, Ella has taken 173 and Anu has taken 155. Now you have to arrange these number of steps in increasing order. Increasing order means small number to big number. Now open page number 20 in workbook part, children. Write the date. Come to first question. First question is, number the houses as 1, 2 and 3 to arrange them in increasing order. Increasing order means small to big. Here house numbers are given. Arrange these houses in increasing order by using number 1, 2, 3. So small number house will come first, the next number and the biggest number house will come as third house. So read the question. Look at the number properly and arrange them in increasing order by giving 1, 2, 3 numbers. Okay. Now come to second question. Anshi, Jimmy and Gagan have ropes. The length of their ropes are given. Write the lengths and names in decreasing order. This question is about decreasing order. Decreasing means big to small. Big to small. Name of the child and their ropes lengths are given here. So you have to write in this table their name in these boxes and rope lengths in decreasing order. Decreasing means, again I am telling children, decreasing means big to small. Okay, first you have to pick up the biggest number units rope. Okay, now third question. Write a story problem based on ordering 110, 103 and 112. Here three numbers are given. By using these three numbers you have to write a story problem. So you can take your family members or your friends' names to write a story problem. Like I have 110 rupees. My father has 103 rupees and my mother has 112 rupees. Who has more number of rupees, like this? Or I have, you can take anything, children. Now open page number 23 in content book, practice questions page, children. This is today our class is about lesson 4, ordering story problems. So go to that part. Here you can see 3 questions. Read the questions and write the answers in HW book. This is homework partner, so you need to write this in HW. Okay, each question you read more than 2 times and understand whether you have to write in increasing order or in decreasing order, and then do them in HW. Okay children, I hope you understood this concept. Thank you.